After the bending process, the components need to be punched or lasered. I'll show you how that works. We import a geometry, and here we can use various formats such as Step, SolidWorks, Solid Edge, CATIA and NEX for 3D parts. We then see the geometry on the screen. I want to program a new NC part for a machine. For this example, I'll choose a punching machine. I specify the material and sheet thickness and define whether I want the part to be rotated or mirrored later on the sheet. And then we just click on Process automatically, and so the part would be programmed manually for now. Of course, I want to place this part on a sheet panel and nest it. For this, we choose a directory that can be overwritten. We select the best format, for example, a small, medium or large panel. A 3-meter panel would be a large format, a 2.5-meter medium format, and a 2-meter would be a small format. In this case, we would achieve the best result if we use a large format panel. And now we are already done programming manually.